Hello viewers, I am Sohel back with another video. Welcome to my channel European Visa Info and Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for instant update. So let's start. Which 10 things not to do in Netherlands? Go for it. Number 1. Don't walk on the cycle road. Red color road only for cycle, so don't walk there. Number 2. Don't touch any animals in Netherlands. If you touch, they can cancel your visa. So it's a big problem. Number 3. Don't forget to say hi. Even say hi to strangers. Otherwise they will think you are antisocial. Number 4. Don't tell them German Dutch. Dutch is the name of Netherlands citizen and the language they speak. And Deutsch is German language, so here is a huge difference. Number 5. Holland is not a country name. The Netherlands is a country with 12 provinces. Holland is one of them. So it's a common mistake. Number 6. Weed is legal in Netherlands. You can purchase from coffee shop, but not for under 18 years old people. And there is a law also, you can't carry more than 5 grams weed. Number 7. You can visit red light district, but you can't take pictures. Number 8. Don't wait until the rain stops, because the rain lasts for many days. So don't waste your time. Number 9. Don't forget your OB chip card, train tickets. Otherwise you have to pay huge amount of fine. Number 10. Don't forget to say goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.